Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, welcome back to my channel that is still a learner. So today in this video we are going to see 5th class EVS 4th chapter entire lesson workbook answers. Okay, so each and every worksheet answer we are going to see here in this video. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the name of our chapter is Know Our Organ Systems. Okay guys, let's see worksheet number 1. Here the concept is organs in our body. Okay, so here in the first Roman we have given some words from this concept. Okay, so these words we need to rewrite again by writing the first letter as capital, and at the same time you have to learn the spelling. Okay, you have to by heart the spelling also. Okay, so let's see. First one is external organs, second one is internal organs, third one is brain, fourth one is heart, fifth one is lungs, sixth one is liver, and seventh one is kidney. Okay, these are the 7 words. Okay, please learn the spellings. Okay, now we'll see the second Roman, which is answer the following questions. So first question is, what are the external organs in our body? Answer: eyes, ears, nose, mouth, skin, hands and legs are the external organs. Second question, write the internal organs in our body. Answer: heart, lungs, kidney, brain are the internal organs. Okay guys, now we'll see the third Roman, which is match the following. Okay, here you have to do the match the following. One column is given the names of particular picture, so pictures are shown in the B column. Okay, you have to match the correct picture to its name. Okay, let's see each one by one. Okay, if you have any doubts, please pause the video and listen to my voice again. Okay, now see. So first one is lungs. Okay, next one is brain, next is kidney, next stomach, after that heart, and last one is skull. Okay, this is the correct matching. Okay guys, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 2. Okay, here the concept is skeletal system. Okay, here also in the first Roman we have given some words which we need to rewrite again by writing the first letter as capital. Okay, let's see. First word is skeleton, second word is muscles, third one is movement, fourth one soft structures, fifth one cartilage, next bones, after that x-ray, next one is exercise, and the last one is yoga. Okay guys, please please write it down neatly. Okay, now we'll see the second Roman of this same worksheet, which is label the parts. Here one skeletal system is given and we have to label its parts. Okay, so first one is skull, then rib cage, then bone, after that arm bones, next hand bones, next leg bones, and last one is toe bones. Okay, please write it down carefully. Okay, now we'll move to the third Roman, which is fill in the blanks. Okay, so first one is our body is made up of external and internal organs. Okay, second one, muscles are attached to the bones. Third one, there are 206 bones in the adult human beings. Okay, so fourth one, our sense organs are connected to the brain. Fifth one, heart is an example for circulatory organs. Okay guys, now we'll see the fourth Roman, which is answer the following questions. So first question is, what is skeletal system? Answer: the bone forms a framework called the skeleton or the skeletal system. Okay guys, this is the answer. Okay, now we'll see the second question, which is name the system that gives a shape and support and the one that helps in movement of our body. Answer: the skeletal system gives a shape, support, and helps in movement of body parts. Okay guys, next question. Write the parts of skeletal system. Answer: skull, rib cage, Backbone and bones are the parts of the skeletal system. Fourth question, what is cartilage? Answer, the external ear and the flexible parts of the nose are made up of soft structures called cartilage. Okay, next fifth question, how can we keep our bones strong? Answer, first point, we should take calcium rich food. Second point, get enough nutrients and vitamin D. Okay, so in if you take both these calcium rich food and nutrients plus vitamin D food, then you will keep your bones strong. Okay, again, I'm telling you guys, please pause the video and write it down the answers neatly and correctly. Okay, now we'll see the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 3. Here the concept is digestive system. Okay, so let's see the first Roman, which is rewrite the following words. Okay, here from this concept of digestive system, we have given some words which we need to rewrite again. Okay, let's see each and every word. First one is teeth, second one saliva, third one food pipe, which we also called esophagus. Okay, next fourth one stomach, next one digestive juices, next small intestine, next one anus, eighth one enzymes, and the last word is digestion. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the second Roman, which is draw the diagram of digestive system. Okay, this is a student activity, guys. Please do it by yourself. Draw neatly the diagram of digestive system. If it's better to label the parts also. Okay, so please draw it neatly and also just color the diagram. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the next Roman number 3, which is draw a flow chart of food journey in the digestive system with the help of words given in the box. Okay, here we need to draw a line. Okay, of means a chart, flow chart of food journey in the digestive system, how the food enter in our stomach, means the journey of the food goes in. Okay, so let's see, here we have given a help box in which we have some words. Okay, with the help of those words you may just write down the flow chart of this digestive system. Let's see this. So firstly we eat food with the help of mouth. So mouth is the first one, then food pipe, then it goes into the stomach, then small intestine, after that large intestine, then rectum, and last one is anus. Okay, guys, in this way the journey of digestive system follows. Okay, now we'll see the fourth Roman, which is answer the following questions. Okay, let's see the first question, which is what is the first part of the digestive system? Answer is, of course, mouth is the first part of the digestive system. Okay, second question, how does the mouth help to soften the food? Answer, teeth cuts and grind the food we take, and saliva helps to soften food. Okay, guys, let's see the third question, which is where does the digested food get absorbed into the blood? Okay, answer is in the small intestine. Digested food gets absorbed into the blood. Okay, guys, let's see the fourth question, which is what is the function of large intestine? Answer, the large intestine absorbs water and send the undigested food outside. Fifth question, what is digestion? Answer, the process of conversion of complex food materials into small food by the enzymes is called digestion. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4. Okay, guys, here the concept is respiratory system. Okay, so first Roman is rewrite the following words. From this concept we have given some words which we need to rewrite again by placing the first letter as capital. Okay, let's see each and every word. So first one is nose, second one windpipe, third one lungs, fourth one oxygen, fifth one inspiration. Okay, next sixth one is expiration, Next, seventh one, inhalation. Next, eighth one, exhalation. Ninth, carbon dioxide. 10th, water vapor. And 11th one is stethoscope. Okay, guys, let's see the second Roman, which is join the dots and color the following picture. Here, the picture of lungs is given. So, you need to join all the dots of this picture and you have to color it. Okay, and just write down the name of this particular picture, which is lungs. Okay, guys, this is a student activity. Please do it by yourself. Now we'll see the third Roman, which is answer the following questions. So first question is, what is respiratory system? Answer, the system which involves the process of inhalation and exhalation is called the respiratory system. Second one, write the parts of respiratory system. Answer, nose, lungs, trachea, pharynx, diaphragm are the parts of the respiratory system. Next, third question, define the inspiration and expiration. Answer, so first side heading is inspiration, which means inhalation. So inspiration is nothing but breathe in. What we breathe in? Oxygen. Okay, breathe in oxygen. Next side heading, expiration, which means exhalation, which means breathe out. What we breathe out? Carbon dioxide. So breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, now we'll see the next question, which is, how is energy released in respiratory system? Answer, the air we breathe in contains oxygen, which breaks the food materials present in the cells and releases energy. Alhamdulillah. So fourth Roman is label the parts of respiratory system. Okay, here one diagram is given. So what we have to do, we have to name the parts as shown here in the picture. Okay, let's see. So first one is nasal cavity, next one is air pumps, and last one is lungs. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5. Okay, here the concept is circulatory system. In the first Roman, we have given some words which we need to rewrite again. So first word is heart, second word blood, third one blood vessels, fourth one circulation, fifth one arteries, sixth one veins, and seventh one is pulmonary. Okay, next eighth one is deoxygenated, ninth chest, 10th chambers, 11th atria, 12th ventricles, 13th nutrients, 14th platelets, 15th one is hemoglobin, 16th anemic, 17th instrument, and 18th one is pulse. Okay, guys, these are the 18 words from this concept. Okay, now we'll move to the second Roman, which is join the dots and color the following picture. Here one picture is given, which is a heart. Okay, you have to join all the dots, then it will be a perfect picture of heart. Okay, and you have to color it. Okay, and just write down the name of this particular picture, heart. Okay, this is a student activity. Now we'll see the next Roman, that is answer the following questions. So first question is, what do you call the apparatus used by doctors to test the heartbeat of a patient? Answer, stethoscope is the apparatus used by doctors to test heartbeat of the patient. Okay, let's see the second question, which is, which system makes the sound lub dub? Okay, answer is the circulatory system makes the sound lub dub. Okay, which means the heart. Okay, now the third question is, name the parts in circulatory system. Answer, heart, blood, and blood vessels are the parts of the circulatory system. Next, fourth question is, how many chambers are present in our heart? Answer, there are 4 chambers present in our heart, or else you can write 4 chambers are present in our heart. Okay, guys, now we'll see the next question, that is question number 5, which is, what is circulatory system? Answer, the system that circulates blood throughout the body consists of heart, blood, and blood vessels are called circulatory system. Sixth question, how many types of blood vessels are there in our circulatory system? Answer, two types of blood vessels are there in our circulatory system. They are arteries and veins. Seventh question, what are the difference between arteries and veins? Answer, arteries carries purified blood from heart to our body parts. Veins carries impure blood from the body parts to the heart. Okay. And eighth question is, what are the functions of blood? Answer, blood transport the oxygen, nutrients and water to all parts of the body. Okay. So these are the 8 questions. Now we'll move to the next Roman, that is Roman number 4. Okay. So here one activity is given for you. You have to count down the pulse. How you count down? Use a watch to count how many times your heartbeat in 60 seconds. The number gives you your pulse rate. Okay, in this way you have to count down your pulse rate and write down here in the box given number of times my heartbeat per minute. Okay, so this is a student activity, guys. Please do it by yourself. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 6. Here the concept is excretory system. Okay, in the first Roman we have given some words from this concept which we need to rewrite again. So let's see each and every word, and I already told you you have to learn the spelling of these particular words. Okay, so let's see. The first word is purification. Second one, mechanism. Third one, impurities. Fourth one, body fluids. Fifth one, kidneys. Sixth one, abdominal cavity. Seventh one, spine. Eighth one, urine. Ninth one, spongy organs. And 10th one is sweat glands. Okay, guys, now we'll see the second Roman, which is answer the following questions. Okay, let's see first question. What is excretory system? Answer, the system which removes excess unnecessary material from the body fluids of an organism is called excretory system. Second question, name the excretory organs in our body. Answer is kidneys, lungs and skin are the excretory organs in our body. Okay, next third question, what are the bean shaped organ in excretory system? Answer, kidneys are the bean shaped organs in the excretory system. Fourth one, where are the kidneys located in our body? Answer, kidneys are located in the abdominal cavity, one on either side of the spine. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 5, which is what is the function of lungs? Answer, lungs help in absorbing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Sixth question, write a brief note about the skin. Answer, skin is the biggest visible excretory organ and eliminates excess water and salts from our body in the form of sweat. Okay, guys, now we'll see the third Roman, which is draw the picture of kidney with urethra. Okay, here you need to draw the picture of kidney along with urethra. Okay, this is a student activity. Please draw it neatly and label the parts. Okay, guys, please do it by yourself. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 7. Okay, here the concept is nervous system. Okay, in the first Roman you need to rewrite the words given below. Okay, so first word is brain, second word is spinal cord, third word messages, fourth one sensory organs. Okay, now we'll see the second Roman, which is label and color. Okay, here label and color each major organ of the human body. Use the color code. Okay, here we have given for 8 parts. Okay, so for particular part, particular color is mentioned. Okay, as color code. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to mention the names of that particular part and you have to give that part that given particular color. Okay, So for lungs, navy blue; for large intestine, sky blue; for small intestine, rose; for stomach, green; for brain, red; for heart, orange; for kidneys, brown; and for liver, yellow. Okay, so you have to draw that particular color to the given parts. Okay guys, now we'll move to the third Roman, which is answer the following questions. So, first question is, what is nervous system? Answer: perfect network connection from head to toe in our body. Brain controls over the body through nerves. The whole system is called the nervous system. Okay, second question is, what is the function of nervous system? Answer: the nervous system is involved in receiving information about the environment around us and generating responses to that information. Okay, third question is, how does the brain identify different types of messages? Answer: the brain is connected with all the five sensory organs and identify all types of messages and responds according to stimulus. Okay, now we'll move to the fourth Roman, which is multiple choice questions. Okay, so first question is, the organ which controls the function of our body is D, brain. Second one, pick the odd man out, means from this we have to pick the odd one. So first one is brain, then kidney, then heart, then spinal cord. So spinal cord is the odd one. Okay, next, see, third question is, which system provides energy from digested food? Answer is C, circulatory system. Okay, it provides energy from digested food. Okay, let's see the fifth Roman, which is match the following. Okay, so let's see. First one is large intestine, which is D, absorb water from undigested food. Next, second one, skin, which is E, eliminates excess water and salt. Next, heart, A, pumps blood. Next, stomach, B, digestion. Next, fifth one is inhalation, which is oxygen. Okay, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So the correct match the following is D, E, A, B, and C. Okay guys, this is the answer. These are the answers for this. Now we'll move to the next Roman, that is Roman number 6. Solve the following riddles. Choose your answer from the pictorial options. Okay, here some riddles are given. It's very fun doing so. Let's see each. First question is, am an organ of the excretory system. Who am I? So answer is kidneys. Okay, next, second question, am red in color and flows throughout your body, which is blood. Okay guys, now see the third question, which is, doctors use me to test the heartbeat inside your chest. What am I? Stethoscope. Fourth one, you can hear me beating inside your chest. Who am I? Answer is heart. Okay, let's see the seventh Roman, which is mind mapping. Okay, so let's see this. Here we have to write down the organ systems. Okay, organ system names. Let's see. First one is eyes to see, then nose to smell, then ears to hear, then skin to touch. Okay guys, so this is the answer. Please pause the video and write it down without any mistakes. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 8. Okay, here we have given question and answers. So let's see. First question is, write the parts of the circulatory system. Answer: blood, heart, and heart blood vessels are the main parts of the circulatory system. The heart pumps the blood through the blood vessels to all parts of the body and keeps it in circulation. Second question, which system is responsible for our body movement? Answer: the skeletal system and muscles give us shape and support and helps in movement of our body parts. Okay guys, let's see the third question, which is, what is inhalation and exhalation? Answer side heading inhalation. Inhalation is the process of taking in air containing oxygen. Second side heading exhalation. It is the process of giving out air containing carbon dioxide. These are the basic process of breathing. One breath involves one complete inhalation and exhalation. Okay, guys, have you understood now what is inhalation and exhalation? Okay, now we'll move to the fourth question, which is, if you have a chance to meet a doctor, cardiologist, which is a heart doctor, what type of questions would you ask about the heart? Answer. First question will be, what is cardiology? Second question will be, where does the heart located? Third question will be, how does the heart work? Fourth question will be, how the heart is protected. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the fifth question, which is, place your hand on the heart and feel the heartbeat carefully. Run for some time and feel it again. Do you find any differences? Write the difference with reasons. Answer. I have observed by placing my hand on the heart, in general, my heartbeat will be between 60 to 100 beats per minute. Okay. After running for some time, I feel that my heartbeat becomes more than the normal heartbeat. Okay, because when you run, then your heartbeat rate increases. That is why you have observed more heartbeat rate. Okay, let's see the sixth question, which is, visit a doctor or a nurse nearby and ask the function of vital organs. Make a brief note. Okay, this is a student activity you need to do. Please visit any hospital nearby your house. Okay, so this is an activity, please do it. Let's see the seventh question, which is, draw the following pictures and label the parts and display them in the classroom. Okay, first diagram will be digestive system, next excretory system, next heart, and then respiratory system. Okay, here four diagrams you need to draw carefully and neatly. You have to color it, and then you have to label the parts, and please paste all these four diagrams in a chart and please submit it to your particular subject teacher, means particular EVS teacher. Okay, so this is an activity. Okay, please do it by yourself. So this type of activities will give you much more fun to do so. Okay, please, again I'm telling you, don't take the help of your parents or your friends or your classmates to do so. Do it by yourself. Okay, so this is the last diagram, which is a respiratory system. Okay, let's see the eighth question, which is, what amazes you in these body parts? Write down. Okay, which part amazes you, means which one you like the most and why. You have to write it down. This is also a student activity. Please write down, because here they ask you your opinion. Okay, means your wish. Okay, let's see the assessment 4. So in the first Roman we have given, choose the following answers, correct answers. So first question is, the organs that are located inside our body are called internal organs, which is B. Second one, the bones from a framework are called dash system, B skeletal system. Third one, dash transport the oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body, which is B, blood. Okay, guys, now we'll move to the second Roman, which is fill in the blanks. Okay, so first question is, our body works like a dash machine. Second one, the dash system consists of nose, windpipe, and lungs. Okay, the respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe, and lungs. So third one is, dash is used by the doctor to check the heartbeat of a patient, which is a stethoscope. Okay, let's see the third Roman, which is match the following. So first one is bones, which are skeletal system. Next, lungs, which is a respiratory system. Next, heart is a circulatory system. So the correct matching is B, C, and A. Now we'll move to the fourth Roman, which is draw the picture of the heart and color it. Okay, here you need to draw the picture of the heart, you need to color it, and you have to label the parts also. Okay guys, this is a student activity, please do it by yourself. Okay, now we'll move to the last Roman of our worksheet, okay, which is Roman number 4. Here answer the following questions. So first question is, what is meant by digestion? Answer: the process of conversion of complex food material into simple food material with the help of enzymes is called digestion. Okay, second question: which organs form the nervous system? Answer: the brain, spinal cord, and nerves collectively form the nervous system. Okay, guys, this is all about your fourth chapter workbook answers. I hope you all like this video very much. If you like it guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do share it with your friends or whoever you know. Okay, pass this video to them also so that they may also write it down the notes of this particular workbook chapter. Okay guys, if you like it, again I'm telling you, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye, take care. Allah Hafiz.